Hey, this is Tyler from SpectraCal, now part of Portrait Displays. In this video, I will be talking about some of the new features and hardware that's supported in CalMAN 2016. You will need to have up-to-date CalMAN All Access to run CalMAN 2016. If you purchased CalMAN over a year ago, please click the link to update your CalMAN All Access. Now I'm going to go over some of the new features and functionality in CalMAN 2016. If you want to jump straight to one of the tutorial videos, click on the corresponding link. The first new feature I'd like to talk about is our OLED pattern insertion, also named full field pattern insertion. This is designed for LG OLED TVs to help with their automated brightness limiting feature, where if you have a static image that is up on the screen too long, over a minute 15 seconds, it starts to slowly dim the picture. And this happens even if you're taking measurements with different color patches. Because of the window pattern is the same size, it assumes it's a static image. It's trying to protect itself. So we have this new function where if you enable it, we inject a full field low APL gray pattern every 60 seconds, and that defeats the dimming behavior. So it's really important, especially if you're doing a 3D LUT, to enable this feature to get excellent results with an LG OLED. The second thing I'm going to talk about is the new Teradek Color LUT box. We added support for it as a display to load a LUT in, and also as a pattern generator. It supports 33-point LUTs, and you can load multiple LUTs into it. It has HDMI and SDI in and out and can cross-convert. It does not support HDCP, so it's not usable as a home theater device, but it's great for client monitors and facilities and on-set use and video village type things. The third thing is the HD Fury Integral. Now this is a box that supports HDMI 2.0, and what it can do is it can inject HDR10 metadata and BT2020 AVI info frames. And I know that sounds kind of complicated, but essentially what it can do is it can enable any existing pattern generator to become an HDR10 pattern generator. So we show you how to do that and how CalMAN can generate the proper metadata to put into the HD Fury. The fourth thing is we've added 3D LUT support and direct loading of 3D LUTs into the AZO 318 4K and 248 4K monitors. Now, one cool new feature is that we can actually overwrite the preset color spaces in the device. Where previous AZO monitors, we've only been able to write to the Cal modes. Now we can overwrite sRGB, Adobe, Rec 709, SIMPDC, P3, etc. Everyone around the office has been incredibly impressed with the results we're getting with a Lightning LUT on the new AZO 4K monitors. You don't need to do an IRP, you can just do a Lightning LUT and you'll get unbelievably accurate results. One thing to note is you need to use an external pattern generator because of where their new extended LUT functionality is in the video path. Number 5 is we've added the Judd modified white point for RGB-based OLED displays, particularly Sony, Flanders, TV Logic, any of the broadcast professional OLED reference monitors. Now this is a perceptual match for other display technologies for D65. You can learn more about it in the video. We've added it to all versions of Studio and all professional versions of CalMAN. The sixth thing is our HDR10 workflow that's designed to measure, evaluate, and calibrate HDR10 equipped and compatible televisions. It includes the color checker that's compatible with HDR, and also all the charts and graphs are optimized for measuring HDR displays. Number 7 goes along with the HDR10 workflow. It's our new Home HDR Report. The existing Home Report isn't really compatible with HDR. The graphs aren't set up correctly. And another cool thing is our Home HDR Report is compatible with both the HDR10 workflow and the Dolby Vision workflow, because the Enthusiast license gets the Dolby Vision workflow, but it doesn't get the Dolby Vision Professional Report. So we wanted to make a report that was both compatible with the HDR10 workflow and the Dolby Vision workflow. Number 8 is the Dolby Vision Golden Reference File import functionality into the Dolby Vision workflow. Now, manufacturers are going to start providing these golden reference calibration targets to their customers when they make a Dolby Vision television. Currently, Vizio has released the P-Series Dolby Vision TVs, and they have released a beta version of the Dolby Vision Golden Reference file that they posted to AVS Forum. So this feature allows you to import that file as a new calibration target in CalMAN. The ninth thing is we've added an Atomos specific entry into the cube generator. It's a cube file set up for the Atomos recorder/monitors, and that works as a calibration LUT format for the Atomos Shogun, Shogun Inferno, Shogun Flame, and the Ninja Assassin. Number 10 is the Meridia 6G. Now it's already been supported in CalMAN for a while, but now we've added it to the enthusiast license. So if you're an enthusiast and wanted to get a professional generator that can do HDR, now it's compatible with CalMAN. We've also added BT 2020 support for the Meridia 6G, so you can properly do your HDR10 metadata and BT 2020 signaling, where some TV models required you to send BT 2020 to properly go into HDR mode. Now that's in CalMAN 2016. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if your All Access is expired, make sure you renew it to get the latest and greatest features in CalMAN.